Hello everyone, this is my review of the Dell XPS 13. So inside the box we get this power cable, which looks like it's to a 3-prong connector. We get a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and we get the other side of the power cable. So if we simply open this really quick, oh, here's the laptop. Lift this up. This laptop is quite heavy, I must admit. I will now commence the peel of glory. Taking a look around the sides and the back, we see we have a headphone jack, USB-C port, micro SD card slot, and what looks to be a speaker grill on the right side. On the back side, it looks to be absolutely nothing. On the left side, that looks to be some sort of battery indicator. If we give it a little push, nothing happens. Probably need to set that up. This looks like to be a Kensington lock or something of the sort, as well as 2 more USB-C ports. Overall, it's looking very sparse, and I cannot say that I am too satisfied with the ports that are available on this laptop.